Let's open WhatsApp application. In this tutorial, I'm going to use WhatsApp pool on this WhatsApp group. I'll click on WhatsApp group and I'll click on the plus option here, and there you'll see the pool options. I'll click on the pool, and you see there is a question, there's an option, so I'll put the question, for example, which country has more population in the world? Question. So on the options, I'll just put the options answers here. I'll say USA, India, China, Brazil. You can put 12 options. By the way, WhatsApp support only 12 options. So once you're done, you'll just click on send, and you'll see the pool will be shared on individual or on the group. So I'll just click in India, for example, then you can click on view, and you'll see the number of votes here. So that's it. It's pretty simple. Thank you so much.